This is our project for our subscriber, Delia. She wants to redesign her home she's dreaming of, but she's having a hard time on how to start and redesigning the space. Therefore, we are here to help her. We're going to design her interior using Japandi style. Let's get started. This is Delia's current layout, which includes her living area, bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Her space is limited, making it tricky for her to achieve the functional home with Japandi-inspired design she's dreaming of. That's why we're here to help. To make her vision a reality, here's what we'll do. First, we'll go through her existing furniture and other elements to see what fits the Japandi style. We'll keep anything that works and remove what doesn't, so we're not wasting anything useful. Then, we'll add smart storage solutions to organize her belongings and clear out the clutter. To bring out the Japandi vibe, we'll incorporate natural materials like wood and soft fabrics, paired with neutral colors and simple, clean lines. So, starting with her flooring, we're keeping it, because the wood-like grain tiles match the Japandi style she wants. We're also keeping her white walls since they make the space feel bright, open, and perfect as a base for the design. We're here in her living area first. I can already see how well she's arranged the furniture. Everything fits the small space nicely, which is great. But there are still some design adjustments we can make to improve it even more. So, let's start with her window coverings. For more natural lighting, we will remove her heavy curtains and replace them with sheer or linen drapes. Now, over to the TV wall. I love the fluted panels here. They're minimal and clean, which totally fits the Japandi style. But we'll upgrade them with a light wood finish to give the space a softer, more organic feel. We also added another wall panel beside it to create a seamless flow and add more texture to the space. The white panel where the TV is mounted, that stays. It's perfect as it is. We will also add an LED light behind the wall panel to create a soft glow and add warmth to the space. However, the floating TV console is more likely to have a modern character. That's why it will be replaced with a low-profile one, so that it will give a subtle Japanese-inspired touch. Also, we'll add simple functional decor, like a rattan vase with pampas grass, books, and small vases for warmth. We also added floating shelves above the TV to provide extra storage and display space. On the opposite wall, there's already another fluted panel, and that's staying. It ties the whole room together beautifully. We will just add some framed artwork that has some muted green accent to make the room more alive. The mirror here is also a keeper. It opens the space and makes this small living area feel bigger and brighter, which is exactly what we need. The floating shelves will stay too, because they add extra storage, but we're going to update them with a light wood finish to match everything else. And instead of the pin lights here, we change it to an LED light to make the space look more welcoming. We will also add a wall sconce above the framed artwork to highlight it. Now, let's talk about the sofa. It's got more of a modern contemporary vibe, so we're switching it out for a wood-framed sofa with rattan sides with a cost of $1,849 to embrace that Japandi look. And to make it even cozier, we'll add some cotton pillows and with geometric pattern in muted tones for extra warmth and texture. I'm also adding an hourglass side table, costing $398. Its clean, curved design is perfect for the Japandi aesthetic. Adding some decor here is also a must. And adding a natural fiber area rug helps ground the room, making the space feel complete and less empty while adding warmth and texture. To complete the look, we will add a rattan bamboo pendant chandelier that costs $34.47. It adds warmth, elegance, and a touch of Japandi simplicity with its sculptural design and stunning shadow effect. These updates will turn this small living area into a calm and functional Japandi-inspired space. Now let's move on to bedroom 1. This room is quite a challenge because it's very small, and her storage is extremely limited. Right now, she only has her double-sized bed, which she recently purchased, a temporary nightstand, and heavy curtains for her window coverings. Now, let's start with her window coverings. To bring in more natural light, we'll replace the heavy curtains with sheer or linen drapes. This will instantly make the space feel brighter and airier. Next is her bed. Since it takes up most of the floor space, we'll carefully plan the layout to make sure everything fits and stays functional. The bed's current position is already fine because she prefers easy access to the window and air conditioner for cleaning. She also mentioned wanting a charging area near her bed, so we're designing a compact headboard with a built-in cabinet. You can also add some decor at the top of this. Then the built-in cabinet will hide the outlet that we'll install inside, keeping everything organized and within reach. She still wants a side table here, but with the limited space, that might seem impossible. So, we came up with a great solution, a foldable side table, where she can put things she wanted and tuck it away when it's not in use, making it both practical and space-saving. We'll also add a wall panel beside the bed to elevate the design. To personalize the space further, we'll hang a framed artwork to the wall behind the bed to add character without taking up any floor space. Also, the sconces highlights the painting much greater. On the wall next to the door, she wants a cabinet for extra storage and also a full-sized mirror beside it. So, we incorporate a compact cabinet that fits her needs. She wants it to be shallow enough to save space and designed to hang clothes parallel to the wall. Instead of placing the full-sized mirror where they wanted, we incorporated it into the cabinet instead, because it would limit the cabinet's space. Also, the door will be sliding to save more space. Additionally, at the bottom, there is a cabinet where she can store her shoes as well. On the side of the cabinet closer to the window, we'll add wall-mounted shelves with brackets for her makeup or other essentials. We use this design to ensure the outlet for her air conditioner remains accessible. It also adds extra storage and enhances the room's aesthetic. For lighting, we added a pendant light to enhance the Japandi style and make the room feel cozier. With these thoughtful updates, this small room will become functional, stylish, and perfectly suited to her needs while making the most of the limited space. Now let's head over to bedroom 2. As you can see, it's been used as a storage area before, but they've decided to make it into a functional and cozy bedroom, which is a great idea. For this room, she wants to add a single loft bed. To make it more accessible, we'll place a ladder on the right side of the bed and add wood slats to make it sturdier. This setup will maximize the vertical space, leaving a room underneath, which is the perfect spot for the Murphy bed she requested. It's a great choice for a small space because it can be folded away when not in use, making the room feel more open and flexible. We will also add LED lights above the single loft bed and the Murphy bed to enhance the ambiance. To enhance the design, we'll add a fluted wall on the side where the loft bed and Murphy bed are located, along with an additional wall panel for more texture and style. We'll install LED lights above the panels, not only to highlight the beauty of the panels, but also create a warm and inviting ambiance in the room. We will also add a framed artwork here, and in this empty space to enhance the mood and add color. Since natural light is limited here because there is no direct window, we added a transom window, positioned above the door. This setup allows light from the brighter dining and living spaces to flow into the room, making it feel less enclosed. She'll also have a study table that doubles as a nightstand when the Murphy bed is down. This cost $147.25. We'll add a lamp with a simple and clean design in the study table that matches the Japandi style she's going for. We also added chair that matches the Japandi style that she wanted. For storage, we're including a cabinet with a sliding door to save space and keep the room neat and organized. It's practical, stylish, and perfect for her needs. And for her main lighting, we added a Japanese wood-hanging pendant lamp that cost $28.55. All with these updates, this small space will feel well-designed, functional, and aligned with the Japandi-inspired look she wants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.